Good morning, guys. It is Saturday day, the weekend. Got some good weather, so hopefully we can have some fun, do something fun today. But on our way to work, I've got a client first thing at 8:30. So welcome back to another video, and I'll see you guys at the gym. Today we're gonna hit a push workout. I was originally gonna do back today, but if I did back today, then my whole split would be out. So I'm gonna start fresh. So today's gonna be a push day, and then I'll go push pull legs. So we'll start on the bench, training with Cameron, and we've got some other guys. Got some other guys rocking up in a sec as well. So they should be here any minute. But yeah, just gonna warm up stuff first and see what we get into.
Yeah.
The red one?
Yeah.
Are we filming?
Yeah.
Cool. So I blend into the equipment?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so bench, we're going to do 5x5. Today, going to go to 82 and a half. So last time I did it was 10 sets of 5. Yo! And then we'll go do some. Hopefully it stays sunny. So yeah. So this time we're increasing a little bit, we're going to 82.5. So just a little increase. And yeah, we've got the boys here now. Do you guys want to introduce yourself?
I'm Alex.
This is Alex and
Nathan.
Alright, we're going for PR. What's your PR?
130 today.
130. Let's go. Up. Come on. Come on.
Never stop the fucking beat, never stop the fucking rap. Never stop the fucking beat, never stop the fucking rap. Never stop the fucking beat, never stop the fucking rap. Never stop the fucking beat, never stop the fucking rap. Never stop the fucking beat, never stop the fucking rap. Never stop the fucking beat, never stop the fucking rap.
That was a good workout with the fellas. Now doing some cardio. Going for an afternoon skate. What's up guys, on route to the gym. Spent most of the morning just editing last video and just chilling out. Now 2 o'clock, so off to get a workout in, and then hopefully it's a really nice day, bit of wind and whatnot, so hopefully gonna go take that for a ride. But yeah, so today's pool day, so gonna go get a back workout in. There she is. So today I really just want to get in and get this workout done. So I'm going to do something I haven't done in a couple of videos, which is a voiceover. So I'll talk to you guys in the voiceover once I start my workout. But first I just need to get my last video uploading and everything sorted, and that way I can just focus on my workout. What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to a commentary. I haven't done this for a while, like I said, so I thought I would yeah, do another commentary. And plus I just wanted to get this workout, you know, focus on my workout, have my headphones on, and yeah, get it done. So I'm actually doing this commentary a few days after. It's actually Thursday right now. This workout was on Sunday. So a few days after, so I'm basically just going to go completely off what I'm watching with you guys as well. So I'm watching the exact same what you guys are watching. So started out with some straight arm pull downs, just more like a warm up. Didn't do many like working sets. Just built up to a 15 rep, just to get some blood in the lats and in the back, and then moved on to these single arm rows on the new hammer strength machine. So I just went one arm at a time and built up to a 8 rep max. So I think I had like 2.5 plates, so 50 kilos each side. Really focused on pulling the shoulder right back there. You can see contracting the traps. Thickness is my weakest like body part at the moment. So what I'm trying to do is really focus on contracting, pulling the shoulder blades back, squeezing the traps, and making sure I'm, you know, targeting the traps, not just like the delts and lats. Next movement was these low rows. So I used every single back machine, the new ones that we got. So this is the low row machine. This is great for just, once again, just back fitness, and does take off the pressure on the lower back. So if you remember, like 12 months ago, I injured my back, so I'm just still taking it easy, not going, not trying to put less pressure on it. And then these high rows as well. So both of these exercises I hit 12 reps, 3 to 4 working sets on each one. This is the first time using these in a while. I've used them in other gyms, so it was good. It's good to mix up my workouts. And I was sore from this workout. My back struggled. I struggled to get a sore back, and from this workout I was sore. So I've actually done it again since Sunday, this workout, and it's going to be one of my back workouts. So last exercise for back was just these dumbbell rows, but what I did was just focus on contracting the shoulders back first, and then doing the row part just to once again hit the traps, and finish with some biceps, so some dumbbell curls and some barbell curls. So that's basically that workout, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little commentary, and I'll speak to you guys in the next clip. Alright, it was actually a really good workout. It's good to just like chuck my headphones on and get in my workout and get it done. And now I got enough time to go for a ride. So yeah, I'm not too sure exactly. Just gonna go out to a lookout. I'm not too sure how to get there, but we're just gonna fluke it. I do have, however, the GoPro attached to the helmet, so we'll be taking you guys for a ride.
Just past the sunrise.
Alright, we made it. So this is one spot. There's another one down there that I'll take you guys to in a sec. But this view is incredible. Let's do like a little montage, a little edit, and try to show you guys how beautiful this place is.
Let me disarm you. I'm not trying to own you. I just wanna know what it feels like to have your body so close. Let me absolve you of the past that controls you. I just wanna know what you look like without a weight on your soul.
Alright, so that's that view. Now let's go and let's spin to the other spot. Alright, so as you can tell, we didn't make it to the other view. I just couldn't find it. I had to make it home before it got dark because, as you can see, we don't have any headlights. But this is going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Alright, end the video. Say goodbye to the dogs. Say goodbye. Peace. Go. Go bye-bye. Go bye-bye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.